Imagine a world where every action contrary to the law meets swift and certain response. Section 13 outlines the penalties imposed for breaches of the law. These penalties range from fines to imprisonment, depending on the severity and nature of the offense. This section serves as a deterrent, designed to uphold societal norms and ensure that individuals think twice before stepping over the line. Moving on, complicity in a crime holds as much weight as the act itself. Section 14 deals with the abetment of offenses. Anyone who incites, assists, or engages in a conspiracy to commit a crime becomes equally liable under the law. This section emphasizes the idea that encouraging or facilitating a crime contributes to the harm caused by the actual offense, thus meriting similar legal consequences. Corporations are not immune to the reach of the law. Section 15 addresses offenses committed by corporations or associations. If a crime is committed by a company, every person in charge, as well as the company itself, can be held responsible unless they can prove the offense occurred without their knowledge or they exercised all due diligence to prevent it. This section underscores the accountability of collective entities, extending legal responsibilities beyond individuals to include the corporate veil. In an era where information spreads faster than light, Section 16 tackles the dissemination of rumors or false information. This provision penalizes those who intentionally spread information known to be false or misleading, which can cause panic, harm, or influence public perception unduly. The law recognizes the power of words and aims to curb misuse, protecting public order and preventing chaos. Delve into the world of espionage and secrets with Section 17, where the possession, conveyance, or disclosure of prescribed or prohibited documents is criminalized. This section is crucial for maintaining national security and protecting sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. Identity is often tied to what one wears. Section 18 prohibits the unauthorized wearing or display of uniforms, badges, or emblems that are reserved for official use. This law prevents impersonation and maintains the respect and authority vested in official symbols and attire. Expanding further, Section 18A specifically addresses the uniforms of a particular agency, ensuring that these symbols of authority are not misused to commit offenses or to deceive the public. This section reinforces the sanctity of uniforms as more than mere apparel, but as a symbol of lawful authority and responsibility.